Automating data entry in Google Sheets has become a game changer for office workers and data analysts alike. And with the latest advancements in query and array formulas, this task has never been easier. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the world of automation and show you how to streamline your data entry process using these powerful tools. The first step in automating data entry is to identify the data you want to work with. Let's say we have a data set of employee information, including names, job titles, and departments. You can import this data into a new Google Sheet or use a sample dataset from the internet. For this example, we'll use the following sample dataset: employee ID, name, job title, department. 101, John Smith, manager sales. 102, Jane Doe, sales representative, sales. 103, Bob Johnson, marketing manager, marketing. 104, Mary Brown, customer service representative, customer service. To start automating data entry,